Okay, y'all, we're on the boat. We're gonna take I think it's an hour and a half cruise around the harbor, and we're gonna get up around Fort Sumter, but we're not gonna get off there.
Yeah.
So, should be exciting. Very hot, very muggy day, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll get a good breeze and it'll cool us off some.
Yeah.
Fort Sumter incorporates several sites around Charleston Harbor, which tells the unique stories of the people and places that shaped the United States of America. Confederate forces fired the first shots of the Civil War upon Federal troops at Fort Sumter at 4:30 a.m. on April 12, 1861. The roots of that conflict are buried deep within the stories of the development of the United States. Fort Sumter would continue to serve as the focal point in Charleston throughout the Civil War. The Fort Sumter Visitor Education Center at Liberty Square sits on the site of Gadsden's Wharf, where thousands of enslaved Africans were brought into the United States. This state-of-the-art center is the primary ferry departure facility for visiting Fort Sumter. Located in Liberty Square, the center offers interpretive and visual exhibits on the events leading up to the start of the Civil War with the bombardment of Fort Sumter. National Park Service rangers and volunteers will answer questions and help you achieve a better understanding of the causes of the Civil War, why it began at Fort Sumter, and what happened during the war.
The urban park at the eastern tip of Calhoun Street was a gateway to the Park Service's Fort Sumter Visitors Education Center, as well as the neighboring South Carolina Aquarium. Its original design contained mostly low-lying tablet markers with quotations from American presidents and other statesmen about liberty and freedom. Today, the park contains historic information that shows the site wasn't always synonymous with those two words. One of the wayside markers discusses how this property was once Gadsden's Wharf, a bustling commercial node at Charleston's northern end and the primary entry for African slaves imported into the city during the final quarter century of the nation's legal slave trade. Other new markers explain more about the life of two historic figures already honored at the park. The late blacksmith Philip Simmons, who designed its large wrought iron entrance gate, and the late Septima Clark, a civil rights pioneer who is honored here with a fountain.